Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing TownePlace Suites Republic Airport Long Island Farmingdale. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located within the grounds of the Republic Airport, TownePlace Suites offers self-contained accommodations 20 miles from New York City proper. It features laundry machines on the lobby level and a 24-hour gym. The spacious rooms of the TownePlace Suites Republic Airport Long Island Farmingdale include a fully equipped kitchen, lounge with a smart TV, a work desk with ergonomic chair and free Wi-Fi. Guests can prepare their own meals or enjoy the in-house in a pinch, serving a selection of sandwiches, salads, beverages and snacks. The property offers complementay breakfast in the morning and complementary coffee all day in the lobby. Popular nearby attractions include Long Island's beaches, including the Hamptons and Jones Beach, both within 20 miles from the TownePlace Suites Republic Airport Long Island Farmingdale. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.